Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a Pasquini Livia 90 with us in the shop. And I came in for a few things. Mainly we did a tune-up on this machine, also replacing the vacuum release valve and deep cleaning the water level probes. During that process, however, descaling the steam boiler. The steam boiler is really bad on this one when it comes to scale. I don't think it's ever been descaled before. And so I had to descale a more, severe way, which is opening the boiler up and doing a bunch of boiler drains just because of how much buildup scales inside of there, to the point where the water even now might be slightly discolored just because there's just so much in there. I got it clear now, but if you were to say put more descaler in there, it might continue to change color. And that was multiple hours of descaling. And so yeah, and then you run the risk of course breaking your heating element just due to the amount of pressure that it builds in there, just because of the chemical reaction that citric acid has with scale. And so yeah, we descaled as much as I could. I ran it as clear as I could, and yeah, now we have the machine here. And we're going to first put it on there. We do have a brand new group head gasket. As you can see, it doesn't go all the way to the 90 degree. It's kind of what you want for a new gasket. As you start to use it more and more, it will start going to that 90 degree. As long as it doesn't leak around the edges, you should be good. Don't worry if you ran this, or if the shot runs a little too fast or slow. We don't actually calibrate our grinders to specific machines. And so I just put, coffee in there just so I could brew a shot quickly. We also clean the steam wand, so we cleaned it with a milk detergent so that we could get a nice steady stream out of there. Close that now. And then lastly, you've seen a little bit of it before, but the hot water tap. And also we did back flushing to the machine. We fully deep cleaned the heat exchanger pipe and also the steam boiler. And also, of course, the solenoid valve is connected to all of it. And then back flushed it so that there isn't any coffee in the pipes at all. Yeah, that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other repairs on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.